Official report. It's Allison Blake. And I'm here at a hotel. And my husband is snoring. Let's go check it out.
A man who went on television and stated in no uncertain terms that only through change can we bring about progress. I'm speaking, of course, about Access Hollywood's Billy Bush. Going forward, we are not going to cover the Optimum. It's gross. Now, when Ann Curry interviewed her for NBC News, there were legitimate questions that needed to be asked. We're way past that now. Now, some of our